Hello and welcome to this week. It's Monday, the 8th of December. So it's a new week. Actually, last week wasn't good. And I'm going to explain to you why. Okay, let's have a look first at the market. And we will decide actually what we are going to do today. Some background music. Favorite one. Okay, so this is Jeff, the founder of Discitrades. Last week we traded the whole week. We managed to make like 4% in the challenge. Unfortunately, by Friday, something kicks off and I already give back all this 4% to the market, and I spent the weekend actually trying to figure out why, and the answer was so obvious. Last week actually I traded like any one of you. I traded like a regular dude who have some risk management in place, but sometimes because of some boredom, anger, some like emotional stuff, you quickly turn your account upside down. Last week on Friday, actually, by the afternoon session, which is a London session, I wasn't feeling really well. I was feeling bored. I did not have like any activity to do, or I don't know, my mood was not really as it should be. Even though I traded like okay, I had no viewer, so less of communication with the people and stuff makes me feel really bored, and the London session was not really good, so I have lost like 1%, I think, from the account of something like 20, like $100. Then by the US session, I tried to motivate myself and go back on track, and I managed to have back some of the losses from London session. But as I told you, because of boredom, I decided to continue trading, even I have like no reason actually to trade, and I still trade. And in my brain I was saying like, okay, the week was so good, we already managed to reach like half of the target, and the last 4% actually was would have been easier because we already have like caution to increase our risk a little bit. But when I had this London loss, I just wanted to at least close the week at 4%, and my system, which is the Discitrades system, actually was not on. I was trading without, as I told you, as like regular with no really strict. I have my risk management on place, but not the mechanical one that I created. So I traded with no borders, and I keep trying to get back my profits, but unfortunately I give it back all. Luckily I stopped before I blow my account, but I'm back to zero. This week actually I already activated my system, so I have nothing to worry about, and let's see how this week will go. So let's see, the last week actually was really good, like huge rally. Today, Monday, there is no like very important news, there is nothing. This channel here, it feels like bullish after this rally, so the price will just try to have like a wedge here, some accumulation, maybe some distribution, and I think the price might continue up, but I'm not sure if it's today or if this correction will be deeper. So we are back to the opening of the Friday. So this is the range of Friday. I'm not sure if the people will really continue taking the price higher, but as a Monday I'm not sure, so let's just have a look. How does it feel to trade, and let's manage our risk. So this is 40 points. I think I'm going for one full contract. First 5 minutes was very bearish. We might have some rejection from here for the moment, but I think we will still continue down, maybe to get to this level here. This is the opening of Friday. I'm not sure if the price will still revisit here, but let's see. Actually, if we flip the coins, we might be winner. What matters is just to preserve capital. Hello and welcome, Grovey. Nice to see you, man. You're a little bit late. I have said some stuff, I think, before you arrive. Actually, I was not satisfied with the last week trading, because by Friday, out of boredom, and I don't have any really strict system on place, I'm still trading this account like just for education. So some emotions kicks off, and I was thinking I must close the week positive, and unfortunately I give back all the profits. That's why I'm always insisting, please do not copy my trades, because right now, as I told you, it's been for a few months now I am not trading, and I'm still like discovering what's going on the market as well. I don't have some mechanical, approach for my risk, and out of boredom, because I think not many of you guys was watching last week, so I just entered some stupid trades, and I managed to close at zero. All the profit of the week I give it back on Friday, but I'm still on the game, so let's see. Let's have a different approach. Actually, I already lock this account with the Discitrades risk enforcement, my app. So I have nothing to worry about, and I'm good to go for this week. Actually, this wedge here, it might be as well some kind of deceiver. It might feel like, oh, the price just after this rally goes down, and we'll try to go higher, and during the week we might see really some push to the downside, but for now I think we'll just play along. I don't think it will fake it right now. I think now the price will really bounce from here and try to push higher, so it will make like, oh, it's easy money, and it will absorb a lot of buyers to the trend. Then I think that time the big guys who really want to dump in this huge level will come in, but for now I think let's just wait for some really good opportunity to get in. Go to our 5-minute chart and let's go. Maybe we will try to enter somewhere here. We need one more push under this level, so it will really look like legit rejection. Even I know that it's really just some kind of manipulation that will bring some more buyers, and the dump will happen around 24,000, 124,150. But for now, as I told you, let's just try to act stupid and get in here. So and maybe we will take profits somewhere just above here. Let's get some room for now. 45, 50 will be okay. I know that price will still go a little bit lower, but not very much, so the trend will still be valid, so it can absorb more buyers if there is any really turn point will be above in this level around 24.1. But for now I think Monday, and I'm not sure if there will be really any sellers, except if the price visited back this highs here. Maybe we can see a really like some legit selling force, but the market can do whatever it wants to do. So let's just give it a time. Maybe I will be a little bit aggressive, but I will manage to have as less risk as I can. This is DAX, bro. German 40. It's index of the industrial Germany companies. We see some rejection really here, some legit one. Thinking to add all the way up. Okay, we are already 7 point plus. So as I said last week, my trading in this account was like any one of you making some money, giving it back, making it, giving it back. I actually long time I did not trade really small account. I'm still like training my brain for this risk and amounts and stuff. But it's okay. We already survived 1 week. I think we are going to survive the second week. And second week we will not do the same mistake, and I'm quite sure I'm not going to give back any profit to the market by the end of the week, or else I will just not trade Friday. But let's see. Let's try to make some money for today. We are here to do that. But please do not copy my trade. This is for education only. It's not a signal group, it's not a signal channel. I don't promise any financial profit. This is only if you want to learn how I personally trade. You might trade better than me, you might be like beginner that you want to learn some techniques of risk management, most welcome, but please do not copy my trades. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, we are going to close the first 15 minutes. Hopefully in this last 30 seconds some buyers will come in so we can confirm this position. So let's see, 20 more seconds. I really want to see some closing inside this second 5-minute bar. So in this case of positive closing in this, the first 15-minute bar, I mean the 5-minute, but the one which is finishing the 5-minute, finishing the 15 minutes. I think within maybe 30 seconds I will move my stop loss to this week here. Actually mini will should enter, because this is look like it faked the breakdown and it's going to go higher. All the amateurs, all the like the retail are trying to get in here, but I'm not sure where the big player will come in for big sales, but maybe they will be above this area, because the majority of people who are already shorting this level here, they have their stops on the top at maybe above 24,075. So the price might, just because it's Monday, beginning of the week, I think there is not much liquidity, so I think the price will try to squeeze the sellers here, and maybe the big shorts will come in around 24,100. Okay, hopefully this position will hold properly. Right now I think it's safe to move our stop loss, let's say just to the wick in here. This is a good 5-minute start. I'm not sure if there will be any trend today, but for sure there will be some positioning for the week. And positioning means the long-term traders are getting in either for longs or shorts in really good prices, not in random levels. So let's see, we already have like 44 points profit. Okay, we have 2 minutes and a half going on this this candle. I'm thinking to take some profit right now. One more push. Up, not down. Okay, let's just be patient. It's the beginning of the week. There is no rush. It's let it play. Just price really should not revisit this low. That's I think will cancel our long bias. I noticed that many people are asking like, bro, do you trade gold? Why you don't trade gold? And I'm not sure why everybody really loves gold to trade, and it's the hardest, I think, thing to trade. It's very manipulated, it's very volatile for retail with small account. It's so risky, and a lot of guys are asking like, why don't you trade? I'm not sure. Actually, we trade to make money, not to enjoy the movements and enjoy the volatility. Actually, I don't like that much volatility, because more volatility means more risk. But some like guys now, I think for 2-3 times they are asking, why don't you trade gold? I'm not sure if they really want to trade gold just to have fun, or to have, you know, maybe, yes, correct, yeah, it might be because of, you know, everybody showing like that XAU, you know, hitting the profits and stuff, and they are thinking, oh, that's easy. I think it's easy for the gurus because it's moving much, so they can even play the two sides of the game and show to their you know, students the winner. They can open like they have two accounts, open buy in one account and sell in one account, and record the both sides, and which one get to their target they will show you, but they really never show you when they're like trading real accounts, and when they are getting like margin called, when the gold makes some crazy movement, some like $20 move in 50 seconds or something like that, and he's like wiping out hundreds of millions within few seconds. It's okay, I don't mind. Let them trade whatever they want to trade. I trade whatever I feel comfortable to trade, and I don't really want to impress anybody to show them, oh, we're trading gold, look at the move, look at the, let's say, take profit or whatever. We just trade here to make money, to reach our goal, which is upscale this 5,000 account and make it really maybe to 100,000 funded account. I think we are approaching our take profit. Thank you so much, we already done. Okay, that's almost $60, which is like 0.21 profit with the minimum actually drawdown. I think let's go to the 1 minute just to really see where did we enter and how the market react after we enter. Yeah, okay, so I actually entered here. The market went against me for maybe 12 points, which is so good compared to the account. Then we got almost, yeah, 50, let's say 59 or more than 50 points. Was easy trade. I think we will call it day. I really don't want to go because I have some guys watching here. I have my favorite Groby, and it will feel boring to go away, and the market just opened maybe 22 minutes ago. No, I actually don't want to say, I cannot, it's impossible to go from like 5,000 and make, let's say, $95,000 profit. It doesn't make any sense, except if you are gambling really like sick, and you might have your head handed to you. My plan actually is to upscale this account, like from 5,000 I will make some profit and buy 10,000, make some profit, buy 25,000, then 50,000, then 100,000. And for a day trader, like if you have, let's say, 750,000 account and you manage your risk very nicely, you will do good. From 50,000, if you make even 5% a week or something, that's really good money. Maybe you will be making more than engineer or a doctor. So yeah, I was thinking, no, I'm not that Goro, bro. I'm not really that Goro to take 5,000 to 100. It can be, as if I think you are watching also Tom Hogarth. I was watching him since he started the challenge of 10,000 account to 100,000 account. I think it was Christmas of the last year or before Christmas of the last year, and he did it. He did it, but he's not trading like prop firm. He's trading like a capital of 10,000, and right now I think he's almost, or he have done it actually before he was, you know, he stopped trading because of some medical issues. I just really don't want to spend like 1 year just to, you know, to go from this to that. It's not healthy for me to do it. Yeah, man, I watched the 10,000 like, and I was really watching like every day. I see his because I'm trading at the same time, and sometimes he will be long in a position and I will be short, and both of us will make money, which is means that it really doesn't matter if you read the market properly, but everything really it's inside your mind. Sometimes he's long like FTSE or DAX or maybe the US 30, but from my side I'm thinking, no, I'm going to short. and he will make money, then I will make money as well. So both will be profitable. Means the market, if you just flip the coin and you have a right mindset and you just every day say, okay, I will flip the coin, if head I'm going long, then you go long, and you know how to go long, how to manage the risk, how to get out of the trade, you will end up making money even with the head or tail. So it was really nice thing. It's still up to 50. Yeah, I'm alive, man. He's not joking, that guy. He's not joking. I wish actually he's like very, very high level trader. I watched some of his trades when he's like going maybe 2000 lot, 2000 contract in Dow Jones or something, some like heavy lifting, and he's like calm and position is running and he's talking like nothing is happening, but he have like I told you 2000 points move. He's really like great guy. That's what I call guru. That's real guru. And I wish I will be a day I will be like him. Right now I'm still really trading like a small account compared to him, to his like real personal account. But it can be done actually. You can reach that level someday. You also, all the guys who are watching, there will be a day when you really go up to that level. But you really should give up on watching the gold gurus. What the manipulation. Look at the price here. It went up before the opening, slide down just maybe to stop out some longs from here, goes up again maybe to pull some liquidity for shorts, and we really don't know where the price will end up. But when there is this so much pushes, I think there will be some accumulation in this level for some time again to absorb more traders. And I don't know, maybe in the London session there will be another fake out and up, or maybe another fake out to the upside and down. But as I said, after this long run of the week, for sure there should be some deep retracement, and we don't mind. We are already in profit, so we are back above the water. Actually, I almost drowned on Friday, but I told you I was just out of boredom, and I'm not yet taking these things very seriously. I should have actually played very safe on Friday, but as we made it last week, we can make it this week, and we will make it better. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, we will maybe spend 5 more minutes talking. I'm not going to take any other trade. I think one is enough. 60 points almost. That's okay for me. And yeah, if you have any questions, let's discuss. So I will not feel bored again and blow the account today. Actually, I still did not take my dog out for a walk, and maybe this is a really good opportunity to do so. And I will go have a coffee with one of my friends who just arrived yesterday, I think, from Australia. I miss him. He's my buddy. He's the only guy actually I talk about, you know, business, about trading, about investments. That's the only guy I normally talk to, and he's my only friend. Actually, I don't have friends. I have very far friends, so maybe thousands of miles away. So I will be happy to ask any of your questions for the last maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. I just want to tell you that actually on Friday I was not really mentally feeling well. I had some also personal issues, some like personal stuff going on. That's why I traded very badly. I wasn't really that, strict and serious, but I actually did not want to fail the guys who are watching me, and as I promised to keep this amount and scale it, so I'm not going to fail it or to blow it. So let's go just step by step until the end. Hello and welcome. We have another visitor here. Can you show up with a hi or hello? We will see what type of viewers they have. Or maybe someone who really looking for some gold trading stuff. Let's just have a look on the gold. Slide it in the same. No, this is silver XE. I slide the XE. What a move! Like, who can really trade this stupid move? $40 move in 15 minutes. We combine the first until down, it's like 54. Even you have like elephant account, it will still hurt you like punishment. But the gurus really know where is the dip. He will show you that he bought in this small here weak and he closes profit in just this corner here. Yeah, that's wonderful, bro. You already got 2 trades. What did you trade? Actually, for psychology, for trading psychology, I think Mark Douglas. Trading in the Zone, I read that book maybe 6-7 times. I think there is one guy, his name is Randy. Let me just get exactly the name. Rowell, I think. Yeah, Randy Howell. He have really good stuff in psychology, and I think trading for a living for Alexander Elder. The best loser wins. My idol Tom Hogarth, and there is many like books from some nice, really like old traders. I only read like really the books from the 50s and 20s and stuff. I don't read this. I never actually read something very new. I see some podcasts with some really like old guys, some audiobooks, and that's it. And maybe for like general psychology, you can have some Alan Watts, some Carl Jung. There is many good psychology books, and just stay away from the quick stuff, like the guys who say they cracked the code. Man, you must read the Trading in the Zone. Like, it's really detailing, like detailing your really psychology and how do you feel about each trade, and it's really deep. but it's hard to understand it if you read it once, so you need maybe to read it like 3 4 times to grasp everything inside the book. It's really telling you like how do you feel when you get beaten by the market, which is, yeah, he gave an example as like you were beaten by a dog, and even when you grow up you still have this phobia because of the memories, because your brain still remember that, you know, that moment when you were beaten by the dog. It's the same as the market. Read it. It's a little bit long. I think if you want to have it audiobook, it's like 4 or 5 hours if you find someone who like shorten it, but it's worth it. Try it. Trading in the zone is long. If you want some deep understanding of the market behaviors, and the majority of my trades actually knowledge comes from that book, which is the trading for a living. So it's good book as well to read. So try that one and let me know. Thank you always for being here, buddy. I will see you again in the US session, and we will call it a day. Thank you for always joining me. You have retraded in the zone, so that's good. Okay, let me just go through your messages quickly. You just told me about your trades. That's okay. I think for you as well, if you already had 2 trades, it was good, then I think the market right now will just keep chopping for whatever the market wants to do, but it's okay. If you have some daily target, you already got it, then we also call it a day, and we will meet again on the US session. Yeah, read it. I can even let me exactly tell you from where, because the narrator, or I don't know what they call, the guy who is talking while like reading the book, it's so good. And that book actually the one I already like listened to and read for maybe tens of times. Trading for living. Yeah, find this channel in YouTube, simplify I.T. Try to listen to that one. Like, it's a really nice voice and it's so good. It's really enjoyable to listen to. Thank you so much for being here, and we are done for the London session. We closed in profit, almost 60 points, and we are going to trade again on the US session, Dow Jones. Until then, see you and take care. Have a good rest of the day. I'm not sure where are you from and what time is it there, but just enjoy whatever you have left in the day. Thank you.